Car Patrol.
The Car Patrol.
Good evening, Charlie. Hey, watch out! An electricity cable. Oh no! That must be the cable which powers the street lights and traffic lights. Don't worry, Charlie. I'm sure we can get this fixed. But we'd better do something quick. Those cars sound like they're getting angry with each other. Hey, Matt. Hey, Frank. Just the guys we need. All the lights have gone out at the crossroad. The place is in total darkness, and there's a big traffic jam. Look, Charlie, Matt and Frank are here to help. Charlie's very sorry that he pulled the electricity cable down, but he didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. Don't feel bad, Charlie. We all make mistakes. Sounds like Matt has a job for you anyway. You can help put things right again. Can you help Matt direct the traffic while Frank goes to ask Tom the tow truck for some tools? Hi, Tom. Sorry to disturb you, but the electricity has gone off at the crossroad in Car City because the cable has come unplugged. Do you have something we can use to fix it? That's exactly what's needed for plugging the cable back in. Thanks, Tom. Well done for managing all that traffic, Matt. You should be able to stop soon. Frank's back, and he's got the piece he needs to fix the lights. It looks like Frank might need Charlie's help now. Can you pass the cable to Frank, Charlie? Great. Now it's just a matter of plugging the end of the cable into the piece Frank got from Tom. Brilliant! You did it, guys! Matt's right, Charlie. They couldn't have done it without your help. You made a mistake, but you put it right. Well done.